We have Zamio here. Zamio token, that's ZAM token, is currently giving out 0.07. That's the current price as of recording. Highs 24-hour lows of 0.06 and highs of 0.07. So hopefully we are in the altcoin season, hopefully, but we have 1 month interval here. You can see the price fluctuation from 0.05. This is the eyes. I think this eyes needs to be checked. Things needs to be. I think that's a glitch, guys. That's a glitch. So you want to make proper verifications, self-reported market tags, and more. Then also websites, contract explorer, Cetic. Okay, all details been done by Cetic. Time remaining airdrop 88 NFTs TrillioHeirs by ZAM token team over 50k dollars. Participate in the airdrop. 88 NFTs will be given out to to winners. So each one will be getting about one NFT, meaning they only need about 88 users for finalists. So you can participate. Hopefully you get opportunity to get one of the rare NFTs. Could be worth lots, guys. Worth lots. Let's say minimum of 100 BUSD, 100 USD minimum. But ZAM NFTs, you want to check out their official website. I think the official websites are here. So I believe they have an NFT marketplace where you can also be able to cross-check this. So you want to check their white paper to know how to sell this. So access is denied. You don't have access to ZAM. The site owner may have set restrictions to prevent you from accessing the site. So guys, you want to make sure that you check out the official site. I don't know why it's not pulling through here. It's supposed to go through. I think it's just a network glitch. Okay, so there should be a reason. Maybe they are undergoing site maintenance. So hopefully the project is still very active. So you want to check the team. Check the team project. Make sure you do your research, guys. Although it has been audited by Cetic, but you also need to make your own due diligence. So airdrop will be ending April 9th, started March 20th. All you need to do is to fulfill the social tax here. So it said any NFT adds its own features and each NFT has its own features and can be used for endless possibilities. The TrillioHeirs holders are capable or able to participate in DAO governance. So you get increased guaranteed allocation to Zampad, opportunity to join private pools and seed pools, collect income from reward pools, use NFT in Zamio Metaverse with skills, creativity, and a touch of luck. You can use your NFTs to participate in Zamio ecosystem management and earn ZAM tokens. To learn more, presenting Zamio TrillioHeirs NFT collection, sale details, and schedule. So Zamio Airdrop gives 88 TrillioHeirs NFT 0.18 ETH or $580. Total number of winners is 88. Airdrop will be live from January 23rd to February 13th. Complete the steps to be qualified for the airdrop campaign. Add TrillioHeirs by ZAM token as a watch list on OpenSea. So follow ZAM Discord, follow them on Telegram, all their Telegram groups, guys. Twitter too, retweet their pin post, follow them on Twitter account, visit their dApps website, optional install ZAM wallet app on your mobile devices. So you want to go over to Play Store for you to complete that task. So ZAM is responsible for selecting the winners, which is usually on a random basis, and winners will be listed in their Twitter account or Medium post. So guys, that's basically how to go about it. So for bonus tips, add it to your watch list. Make sure your watch list is set at public. I think this is the second NFT they are giving out, second airdrop they're doing in about less than 6 months. So they've done one initially before. So if you participated in that one, you benefited from. Okay, this is it, October 28 to November 17. So you participate these guys, stay safe. Hopefully you get to win. And also, if you have any questions, let us know. For bonus tips, retweet as much as possible. You can even add it to your pin post if you can. That's when, since the airdrops are usually much, we do recommend if you want to add it to your pin post, it should be towards the timeline when you know they should be checking out for the submission list. So that should be when the project ends. So you want to switch it out on a regular basis. You want to have a notebook for airdrops you've participated on, the dates they are going to end, and the dates they are meant to call out their results. So you want to switch it up a little bit. Pin the post, retweet it as often as possible. Try and be active on these social media handles, and I think that are basically some of the major concepts. Then make sure your watch list, your watch is set at public so you can be verified. One of guys, peace out. Then try and tag most of your friends and have a good number of followers so your account does not look like looks your account looks like a human account, does not look like a bot account. So peace out guys, one love is your bike keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in our future update.